How to log in Indigo credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you log in or sign in to your Indigo credit card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for Indigo credit card. After you search for that, at the first, you can simply find the official site of Indigo card. Simply tap on indigocard.com. Alright, in my case, the access is denied. In your case, you can find this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to just enter or use your username or password. After you enter the correct username or password, simply tap on login. After you tap on that, you can simply log in or access your Indigo credit card. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.